99.9% of every species that ever lived on Earth is extinct, and SpaceX has failed 6 of the last 7 Starship test flights. Mars is minus 60 degrees, no atmosphere. So should humans colonize other planets? Both real. The timescales are the trap. 5 minutes, both sides, extinction math, Mars physics, SpaceX filings, NASA budget. A verdict that will annoy both the Mars in 2029 believers and the fix Earth first crowd equally. Chapter 1. The case for because the extinction record is not a metaphor. Start with the geological record. 5 mass extinctions in Earth's history, each wiping out more than half of all species. The dinosaurs, 66 million years ago, 1 asteroid. The Permian event, 96% of species gone. The next big one is not a matter of if, it is a matter of when. Then the technology forcing function. The push to space produced GPS, weather satellites, medical imaging, water recycling systems, solar panels. Half the technology in your phone traces to space program R&D. Even if we never leave, the effort improves the leaving. The Carl Sagan argument. As far as we know, consciousness only exists in one place in the universe, Earth. If we lose it, the light goes out forever. Protecting the only known instance of a mind observing itself is a case that deserves being answered, not dismissed. And the historical pattern. Humans have always expanded. Out of Africa, Polynesian navigators crossing the Pacific in outrigger canoes. The age of exploration. The moon landings. The question isn't whether humans will try to leave. It's under what conditions. Chapter 2. The case against. Because Mars is not habitable, and the timelines being sold are physically fictional. Mars, physics. Average temperature, minus 60 degrees Celsius. Atmosphere, under 1% of Earth's pressure. No global magnetic field, you get radiation cooked. Gravity, 38%. No liquid water, no plants, no breathable air. Getting there takes 6 to 9 months. The window opens every 26 months. The budget math. Combined global space spending could be about $100 billion a year. Cost to provide clean water to the 700 million people who don't have it, one time, around $150 billion. We are spending forever chasing Mars ancients, while a solvable problem on Earth waits. The SpaceX reality gap. Elon Musk promised humans on Mars by 2024, then 2026, then 2029. Starship, the vehicle that would carry them, has failed 6 of the last 7 major test flights as of 2024. The distance between the promise and the physics aquí is generational. And the insurance argument only works after you have a self-sustaining Mars colony. That means food, water, air, reproduction, repair, growing at a rate that survives Earth's loss. Nothing on the current roadmap gets us anywhere near that this century. Meanwhile, Earth's problems get worse. Climate change, biodiversity collapse, rising authoritarianism, coral reefs half gone. If we cannot manage a planet that already provides oxygen for free and we are not managing one that does not. Chapter 3. What actually changed? Because the space race quietly stopped being a public science project and started being a billionaire escape narrative. The shift. Apollo was a public, democratic, federally funded, collectively owned effort. SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic are private companies whose owners quite literally build rockets. The pitch used to be humanity leaves together. Now it looks increasingly, like a billionaire evacuation plan. And the binary, colonize or don't, is the wrong frame. Space includes low Earth orbit science, satellite infrastructure, telescopes, Mars rovers, asteroid mining, moon bases, and Mars cities. These have wildly different costs, timescales, and justifications. Bundling them misleads every question. Chapter 4. The verdict. The answer that annoys the Mars in 2029 crowd and the Fix Earth first crowd with equal accuracy. Both are true. Preserving intelligence beyond one planet is worth doing over the next 1,000 years. And Mars saves us in our lifetime is fantasy. The species insurance case is real on a millennial timescale. The urgent colonization pitch is not. So stop asking, colonize or don't. Ask instead, which specific space investments now are worth the money, and are they coming out of the Fix Earth budget or in addition to it? Because those are different debates, and the honest answers are surprisingly consistent. 3 rules. 1. Space budgets are not the fixed Earth budget. Both are dwarfed by defense spending. Framing them as a trade-off is often a misdirection. 2. Distinguish research from colonization. Moon bases and Mars rovers, real 20-year investments. Mars cities, a 200-year project. Different debates. 3. Watch who profits. Public science creates public value. Billionaire rockets create billionaire returns. The financing model decides the outcome. The Apollo program cost about $260 billion in today's dollars over a decade, delivered a moon landing, the internet's ancestors, solar cell mass production, hundreds of scientific breakthroughs. Not because it colonized anywhere, because the effort itself pulled science forward. Ambition is not zero-sum with ethics if it's the right ambition for the right reason. Be specific. Name one space achievement that genuinely inspired you and one Mars pitch that felt like a billionaire escape hatch pretending to be humanitarian. Both. The pair is the picture. Subscribe. New question every week. The honest answers nobody in either tribe will give you.